tonight. Oh, good news, Stephen.
Understood, waiting. Sure, if somebody were to turn their house around, they would be taking me right out at 131 or... Sounding good? Chicago. Okay, we getting out there lakeside. Thunder State, San Diego border.
Radio! Yeah.
Mod Squad. Aloha.
Yeah, I knew it was going to get exciting out here at 131. I knew it was going to get exciting.
Hey, getting busy, man. Yeah, radio, man. You got the mini ground in the whole country out there right about now. We'll see what happens. I'm going to sit back, going to eat the popcorn. Come on.
Well, I guess I can't get in there. Let me get on out of here. Good news, Stephen.
Hey, Lakeside, did you get that phone call?
Yeah, hello, around Sparkplug, Tennessee.
Dub-Looking radio sounding good. Come on.
You didn't talk to him, though, right? Mobile Hunter. Mod Squad.
Hello, 212. The jalopy in New Orleans. 212, you got it?
Yeah, Mother Nature, she's shifting, man. Needle. Yeah, that Mother Nature, she's shifting, man. I don't know what she's doing right about now. Come on.
Okay, I decided you'd talk to him, but whatever, that's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood.
Was it good or bad, that break?
I'm getting confused. Boy, I'm getting confused, man. I think I'm gonna take this thing wide to the side. 131 back on the side. Break a break.
40 at 5 and on the west side, Yes, sir, I understand what you're saying. Sure do. You know, I had to come all the way down to Marksville, Louisiana, so I can get 10-8. That's okay?
Hey, 12, understood, waving.
Yeah, Mother Nature. Yeah, she's shifting. It's rough, man.
And they only want to talk.
Hello, around the Buckeye. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, 227 around the Buckeye. Yeah, I got you that time around. Yeah, it's Mother Nature, man. I don't know what she's doing. I don't know what she's doing.
Well, good news, Stephen in the clear.